Hello students, today we will discuss about some important and CBSE board examination questions from the chapter application of derivative. The one important topic inside the application of derivative is tangents and normals. So today we will discuss about some questions inside the tangent and normal from the CBSE board and NCERT exemplar. One important question is there. Prove that x upon a whole power n plus y upon b whole power n equal to 2 touches the straight line x upon a plus y upon b equal to 2 for all n belongs to capital N, that means the set of natural number at the point a comma b. So confirmably we want to show that in this question this line x upon a plus y upon b equal to 2 is the equation of the tangent for this curve at the point a comma b. So now x upon a plus y upon b, x upon a whole power n plus y upon b whole power n equal to 2. Differentiate. So now we have n x upon a n minus 1 into 1 upon a plus n y upon b n minus 1 dy over dx into 1 upon b equal to 0. The differential of x upon a whole power n is n into x upon a n minus 1 1 upon a. Differential of y upon b whole power n into y upon b n minus 1. The differential of y upon b is dy over dx into 1 upon b, and the differential of 2 is 0. Arrange these terms. So now we have nx to the power n minus 1 upon a to the power n, because a to the power n minus 1 into a become a to the power n, plus ny n minus 1 upon b to the power n into dy over dx equal to 0. Now ny n minus 1 upon b to the power n dy over dx equal to minus nx n minus 1 upon a to the power n. So now dy over dx become minus nx n minus 1 upon a to the power n into b to the power n upon ny n minus 1. Now dy over dx at the point a comma b, because we want to find the equation of tangent at the point ab. So now minus n and n cancel out here. Okay, so we have only x means a to the power n minus 1 minus a to the power n minus 1 into b to the power n upon a to the power n into y means b to the power n minus 1. After simplification we have minus a to the power n, so this comes b upon a. This is the slope of tangent at the point a comma b. Now equation of tangent at a comma b. Y minus b equal to minus b upon a x minus a, because the point is a comma b. After cross multiply we have ay minus ab equal to minus bx plus ab. Now transfer this. So we have bx plus ay equal to twice ab divided by ab. So now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent x upon a plus y upon b equal to 2. So this is the solution of this question, in which we want to prove that this line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2 is the tangent to the curve x upon a whole power n plus y upon b whole power n equal to 2 at the point a comma b. So this type of questions are very important questions for the exam point of view. Now I am taking another question. Prove that all normals to the curve x equal to a cos t plus at sin t and y equal to a sin t minus at cos t are at a distance a. Are at a distance a from the origin. Okay. So in this question, here we show that the normal of this curve is at the distance a from the origin. So here x equal to a cos t plus at sin t. At sin t. Now differentiate. So now we have dx over dt is equal to minus a sin t plus a, apply the product formula, so sin t plus t cos t. So finally we have dx over dt equal to minus a sin t plus a sin t plus at cos t. At cos t cancel out. So now we have dx over dt equal to at cos t. Here y equal to a sin t minus at cos t. So dy over dt equal to a cos t minus a common t cos t. So this become cos t minus t sin t. Apply the product rule here. So dy over dt equal to a cos t minus a cos t plus at sin t. A cos t cancel out. So now we have dy over dt is equal to at sin t. Here in this question we have the parametric equation of the curve. So now dy over dx equal to dy over dt upon dx over dt. That means at sin t upon at cos t. At cancel out. So now we have only tan t. So dy over dx equal to tan t. This is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent for the curve x equal to a cos t plus at sin t and y equal to a sin t minus at cos t. Okay, so this is the slope of the tangent. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx x minus x1. So now you put the values of Now we put the values of x1, y1 and dy over dx. So y minus the value of y1 is a sin t minus at cos t is equal to minus 1 upon the value of dy dx is tan t, and x minus the value of x1 is a cos t plus at sin t. Okay, now this again can be written as y minus a sin t plus at cos t is equal to minus 1 upon tan t, that means minus cot t, so minus cos t upon sin t, and here x minus a cos t minus at sin t. Now take cross multiply, so y sin t minus a sin square t plus at sin t cos t is equal to minus x cos t plus a cos square t minus plus again at sin t cos t. at sin t cos is cancel out here. After transfer we have x cos t plus y sin t equal to a cos square t plus a sin square t. To take common a, we have cos square t plus sin square t. This implies that x cos t plus y sin t equal to a. This is the equation of normal. Normal. This equation is written in normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So perpendicular distance from origin equal to a. Whenever the equation of straight line written in the form of a cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a, we know that well. The right hand side value, that means p, is always shows the distance of the line from the origin. So a is the distance of the normal to the given curve from the origin. Now I am taking another question. If the straight line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p touches the curve x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, then prove that a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha equal to p square. That means this line will be touch this curve. In other way, this line will be the tangent of this curve if the condition a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha equal to p square satisfying. Okay. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Differentiate 2x upon a square plus 2y upon b square dy over dx equal to 0. That means 2y upon b square dy over dx equal to minus 2x upon a square. 2 and 2 cancel out. So now we have dy over dx equal to minus b square x upon a square y. Then dy over dx at the point hk equal to minus b square h upon a square k. Okay, so this is the slope of tangent at the point hk. Then equation of tangent for finding the equation of tangent, we choose a point h comma k at which we want to find the equation of tangent. So first we find slope of tangent at the point hk, which is b minus b square h upon a square k. Now equation of tangent at hk is y minus k equal to dy over dx x minus h. So now put the value of dy dx. So y minus k equal to minus b square h upon a square k x minus h. Cross multiply. So we have a square ky, a square ky minus a square k square equal to minus b square hx plus b square h square. Arrange this equation. So now we have b square h x plus a square k y equal to b square h square plus a square k square. This is the equation of tangent to the curve x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 at the point h comma k. So here b square h x plus a square k y equal to b square h square plus a square k square. Since h comma k, the point at which we want to find the tangent, lies on curve x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So h square upon a square plus k square upon b square equal to 1. After LCM we have b square h square plus k square a square equal to a square b square. Put in second. This become b square h x plus a square k y equal to a square b square. This also can be written as hx upon a square plus ky upon b square equal to 1. After dividing the a square b square both sides, we have hx upon a square plus ky upon b square is equal to 1. But given tangent x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This can be written as x cos alpha upon a p plus y sin alpha upon p equal to 1. So now 3 and 4 represent same straight line. So h upon a square upon cos alpha upon p equal to k upon b square upon sin alpha upon p is equal to 1. Equation 3rd and equation 4th both are represent the same straight line, because this is the equation which is found by us at the point tangent, equation of tangent at the point of hk, and this is the equation of tangent given in the question. So now you compare it, h upon a square upon cos alpha upon p, that means the coefficient of x is equal to, now coefficient of y is equal to constant. So after compare, we have, this can be written as again ph upon a square cos alpha equal to pk upon b square sin alpha equal to 1. That means h equal to a square cos alpha upon p and k equal to b square sin alpha upon p. These are the values of h and k. These are the values of h and k after the comparing of the equation of tangent which are found by us at the point of hk and the equation of tangent given in the question. Since hk lies on x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So h square upon a square plus k square upon b square equal to 1. Now put the value of h and k there. So we have a to the power 4 cos square alpha upon p square whole upon a square plus b to the power 4 sin square alpha upon p square upon b square equal to 1. After simplifying, we have a square cos square alpha upon p square plus b square sin square alpha, b square sin square alpha upon p square is equal to 1. Take the LCM and cross multiply. So we have a square cos square alpha, b square sin square alpha equal to p square. So this is the condition in which the line, given line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p will be the tangent of the curve x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1.